done and done. Even removing this is annoying. And if you get these Seagate hard drives out of Xbox, regular Xboxes, oof, I don't know. I'm starting to have second thoughts about how to remove them, or if it's worth removing them. Not as simple as removing a couple of screws. Alright, let's go do a little bit more hammering because it has that clip. Get the arm. Let's get the magnet. Even though these hard drives have less stuff in it, it's still worth. Well, maybe not because of the hammering, but it's still worth opening these up, because you might not get $1.40 like that other hard drive, but you'll get $1.20, $1.10. There you go, got it. Got it right under, or almost. Wow, it slipped out. Whew. There you go, now I got it. Wow, that sucks so bad. You guys don't know how much that sucks. Alright, so hopefully this last one is going to be nice and easy. So after all of that, I get a grand total of $8.10 by taking all the hard drives and scrapping them to the bare bone, which was about 2.12 times the money I would have gotten by not scrapping them and sending them in. Obviously, you have to